Hey Divas, let's clean this bathroom. Let's go. First things first, I like to go ahead and take everything out my shower. After taking out all my washcloths, I like to go in and use my Clorox mold and mildew. I go ahead and spray that all over the shower, let it sit for a minute before I start cleaning. I went ahead and ensured that I take everything out the bathroom, so the shower curtains, the decorative towels, my clothes baskets, take out the trash, and then move on to the sink area. This Clorox mold and mildew is a must-have in my home because it gets the job done every single time. I use it to clean everything. After spraying my mold and mildew, I went in with the soft scrub, and this is my first time using it, and I must say I was impressed. I do not like to mix a lot of chemicals because if you know, it can get really toxic. So I try my best to use as less as possible. Whenever I'm cleaning my bathroom, I like to go in with a coarse scrub and then a microfiber cloth. I like to start with my sink area and move my way over to the shower. So I'll do the sink, then I go to the toilet bowl, then onto the shower. For me, cleaning is therapeutic, but sometimes it can get the best of me because trust me, if I'm here and I don't feel like doing something, it will not get done because if I don't enjoy doing what I'm doing in the moment, I will not do it. I use the same products to clean every square footage of this bathroom. So if you guys have any suggestions, you can go ahead and list them down in the comment section and I will surely try them out. Living in Hawaii, cleaning the bathroom is one of the hardest tasks thus far because trust me, as soon as you clean it, it gets dirty. It will build up in the toilet, in the shower. Trust me, you have to clean it, like spray it down like every single day. To clean my shower, I like to go in with a spin brush and this gets the job done. It has interchangeable heads which will get into all those hard to reach areas, and then I go in with my microfiber cloth and my coarse cloth, use that to rub all over. Now that I'm done cleaning the bathroom, it's time for me to go ahead and hang my shower curtains. I went in with some decors and trust me, it came out perfect. It was just simple, clean, and nice. I went in with the color peach, gray, white, and black, and I tied that all throughout the bathroom. I went ahead and some ceiling height curtains. I used some extendable curtain rods, and trust me, it came out perfect. That's gonna go ahead and add some elegance to your bathroom, and trust me, this is where I spend most of my time. So when I'm in there, I want to feel relaxed and comfortable. These are the peach curtains that I added to my bathroom, and look at it. Look at the difference it makes. It looks so elegant and nice. I realized that they were looking a little wrinkled, so I decided to go in with my Andel steamer, steam them, and look at how beautiful it came out. Here you go, guys. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to show you in two different lightings, when the light is out and when I have my lighting on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and become a part of the Saunders family. I do not always buy new stuff to redo my bathroom. I like to go ahead and reuse stuff. That will save me so much money. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Look at how nice and clean my bathroom is. It's not too overcrowded. It's just clean and simple. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.